Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds LG TONE Free available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what LG offer for the earbuds. It's called LG TONE Free, and if we open it, you can see that I already add these earbuds to the application. So my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. But if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the application, at this channel we have videos about it, so you can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!